Hi everyone, I'm Moshmi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make calzone. For the stuffing I'm using chicken. You can use any veg, non-veg stuffing as per your liking. So let's get started.
Take 250 ml of warm water in a container. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of yeast and stir well. Keep it aside for 5 minutes to rise. Take 375 grams of flour in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in it and mix well. Now pour the yeast mixture in it and bring it all together with a spatula. Add 3 tablespoons of oil on the dough and knead well on a flat surface. The dough will turn into a smooth ball after a while. Grease a bowl and transfer the dough into it and cover it with a plastic wrap. Keep it in a warm place for an hour to rise. Meanwhile, we will make the chicken stuffing. Take a wok, keep it on a medium flame, add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. When the oil is little hot, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic in it. Saute the garlic for a minute, then add 1 cup of chopped onions. Fry it until the onions are translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and little bit of pepper as per your taste. Add 2 chicken breasts, cut it into small chunks and mix well with the onions. Fry it for a minute or two and then add little bit of water and cover the wok for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will check the chicken. Now add 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce and half lemon juice into it. Now mix everything well and switch off the flame when you see all the water has dried up. It is time to check out on our dough. It has risen quite well. Punch it to knock out all the air from it. Take it out from the bowl and divide it into 2 portions. Roll out one portion in a circular shape. Spread 2 tablespoons of pasta sauce on one side. On it add mozzarella cheese generously. Over the cheese, spread your chicken stuffing evenly. Now spread another layer of mozzarella over the stuffing and sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. Now cover it and seal the edges well with water. You can fold the edges to give it a nice look. Now brush the top with a little warm milk to give your calzones a nice golden color. Make small slits for the steam to release. Sprinkle some oregano on top. Now preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for good 10 minutes. Bake your calzones at 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until golden.
If you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting every Tuesday and Friday. We'll be seeing you next time with a new recipe. Bye bye.